7 tips to keep in mind when traveling with a pet. Traveling with a pet is a delightful adventure that demands careful planning for their comfort and safety. Unlike solo trips, bringing along a furry friend means addressing their specific needs, be it transportation logistics, pet-friendly accommodations, or ensuring their overall well-being. Failing to prepare adequately can transform what should be an exciting experience into a stressful ordeal for both you and your companion. Whether embarking on a flight, a road trip, or settling into new surroundings, thorough preparation is essential. Some pets may experience anxiety or motion sickness during travel, while others require special permits or health certificates. By taking proactive measures, you can guarantee a smooth and enjoyable journey for both yourself and your pet. Choosing the best mode of transportation for your pet. When traveling by car, keeping your pet safe should be a top priority. Use a secure carrier, pet seat belt, or a car seat to prevent distractions and accidents. Plan for frequent stops to allow your pet to stretch, relieve themselves, and stay hydrated. If flying, research airline policies in advance. Some permit small pets in the cabin, while others require them to travel in cargo. Certain breeds, especially short-nosed ones, can experience breathing difficulties on flights, making a vet consultation essential before booking. Proper planning ensures a safer, more comfortable journey for your furry companion. Packing for your pet's needs. A well-prepared travel kit is essential to keep your pet comfortable and stress-free on the journey. Be sure to pack enough food and water, along with a sturdy leash and waste bags for easy cleanup. If your pet takes medication, bring the necessary doses to avoid any health issues while traveling. Familiar items like their favorite toy or blanket can provide comfort and reduce anxiety. For longer trips, grooming wipes, a portable litter box for cats, and a pet-friendly first aid kit can be lifesavers. With the right essentials on hand, you can ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip for both you and your furry friend. Ensuring proper identification. No matter how well-trained your pet is, unfamiliar environments can increase the risk of them getting lost. To keep them safe, make sure they wear a secure ID tag with your current contact details. Additionally, verify that their microchip information is up to date, as this can significantly improve the chances of a safe return if they wander off. If traveling internationally, research entry requirements in advance. Some countries have strict regulations, including health certificates or quarantine periods. Taking these precautions will help ensure a worry-free journey and your pet's safety wherever you go. Booking pet-friendly accommodations. Not all hotels and vacation rentals welcome pets, so it's essential to book pet-friendly accommodations in advance. Look for places that offer pet-specific amenities such as cozy beds, play areas, or designated walking spaces. Keep in mind that some accommodations have breed or weight restrictions, so always check the policies before making a reservation. Reading reviews from fellow pet owners can provide valuable insights into how truly pet-friendly a place is. By planning ahead, you can ensure a comfortable and hassle-free stay for both you and your furry companion. Keeping your pet calm during travel. Travel can be stressful for some pets, but with the right approach, you can help them feel more at ease. Taking short practice trips beforehand can help them adjust to the experience. Bringing familiar items like their bed, blanket, or favorite toy can provide a sense of security. Additionally, calming sprays, soothing music, or vet-approved anxiety medication may help reduce stress. By preparing in advance and creating a comforting environment, you can make the journey smoother and more enjoyable for your furry friend. Understanding local pet laws and regulations. Pet laws and regulations vary by state and country, making it essential to research them before you travel. Many destinations have specific vaccination requirements, leash laws, and even breed restrictions. Some may also require health certificates or other documentation for entry. Failing to comply with these rules could lead to fines, quarantine, or even denied entry for your pet. By staying informed and preparing ahead of time, you can ensure a smooth and hassle-free trip for both you and your furry companion. Preparing for emergencies. No matter how well you plan, unexpected health issues can arise while traveling with your pet. To stay prepared, research veterinary clinics along your route and at your destination in case urgent care is needed. Carry a well-stocked pet first aid kit with essentials like antiseptic wipes, bandages, and any necessary medications to manage minor injuries or discomfort on the go. With the right preparation, traveling with your pet can be a smooth and enjoyable experience. Planning ahead ensures their safety and comfort, allowing you both to explore new places without unnecessary stress. Whether it's a weekend getaway or an extended trip, taking these precautions will make the journey more enjoyable for both of you.